The most popular, most well-known coaching model is the GROW model. It's super simple. It's easy to remember. And of course, grow because you want to develop someone. So let's grow them. And the first is goal. So you want to establish what is the goal? What's the point? What's the focus, right? All motivation needs direction. So where's our goal? Where are we heading to? Then the R is the reality. What is our current situation on the ground? So what's going on? Where are we now? And let's get a feel for that, right? What assets do you have at your disposal and what challenges may you be considering? And then there's options. I like to say options or obstacles. So in the reality, you may look at obstacles, and then options, the O is, all right, what are the different approaches we can use to pursue this goal, right? To get us there. Because it's not always about one approach, and you really want to dig deep with someone because they can get stuck on one way or what I've done before or what I've been told. So you want to think about what are the different options or ways I can go about doing this? What does that look like? And also sometimes you may need to remove barriers because we have these self-perceived notions that I can't do this, or this person wouldn't approve that, or they won't allow it. Well, have you asked? If you haven't asked, let's explore that, right? And then the last one, so oftentimes they'll say is will. I like to say the way forward is, all right, what are you going to go do next? Because you should never leave a conversation, whether it's a coach or a leader, manager working with someone, without determining what you're going to go do next, right? So that way forward's got to be, what is it going to look like? What are the steps going to look like? Let's think about the plan, milestones, how will I gauge progress? Who can I engage as an accountability partner, right? Which could be the coach, it could be the leader, it could be a peer, right? Colleague. That's completely up to you. So you definitely want to think about that way forward.